horizontal conducting ring is perpendicular to uniform vertical magnetic field. When a ring is rotated through 180 degrees above the horizontal axis, an average EMF of 2 microvolts is induced in the ring. The area enclosed by the ring is given, and the rotation takes 2 seconds. What is the magnetic field? So since it's about an average EMF, what is it by definition? It's negative change in the magnetic flux and divided by time taken. And the magnetic flux by definition, it's the magnitude of the magnetic field strength vector B multiplied by the area and multiplied by cosine of the angle between B vector and normal to the ring, or you may use as a component of vector B perpendicular to the ring multiplied by the area. So initially it looks like this. Let normal be to the right and the uniform magnetic field, and let vector B be to the right. It doesn't matter, you may choose absolutely any directions. So initially the magnetic flux is B times area times cosine of the angle between B vector and N vector, and you can see that it's 0 degrees and cosine of 0 degrees is 1, so it becomes B times A. And finally normal becomes in opposite direction because it is rotated through 180 degrees, but B vector remains the same, so it becomes B times A times cosine of 180 degrees, and cosine of 180 degrees is -1, so it becomes negative B times A. So an average EMF becomes this minus, and change in the magnetic flux, so it's the final value minus the initial value, so it becomes negative BA minus BA divided by delta T. So it becomes minus and minus 2BA, so just 2BA divided by delta T. You may get that this value is negative. Definitely you need the absolute value of the final answer, and actually what is required, the magnetic field, it means is B, the magnitude of the magnetic field strength vector B. Plus minus, it just depends on what direction is chosen as positive. So let's substitute values. So 2 times 10 to negative 6 is 2 times B, which is required, times area, which is 4 times 10 to negative 4 meters squared. It is given in centimeters squared, and divided by time taken, which is 2 seconds. You can see 2 cancels, and B becomes 2 times 10 to negative 6 divided by 4 times 10 to negative 4, and it's a half, or 0.5 times what, 10 to negative 2, or 5 times 10 to negative 3, or it means micro Tesla, so it's 5, so it's B. And that's all for this question.